Before we talk about Amazon, before we talk about any product, money, or private label business on Amazon, I want you to know who you're listening to. My name is Zanoli. I've built multiple online businesses on Amazon, Walmart, and giant e-commerce marketplace. And today I run a full-scale Amazon agency where me and my team help people scale their businesses on one of the largest e-commerce platforms like Amazon, Walmart, and eBay. I've learned all this through mistakes, like the expensive ones, and why you should listen to it so that you can avoid making the same mistakes, especially the expensive ones. I have seen people making mistakes and something so ordinary that they should not do simply because they are copying this strategy from YouTube or some article and they just don't understand what is the main functionality, the fundamentals of selling the product on these giant biggest platforms like Amazon. I'm not gonna be selling you anything. I'm not gonna sell your dream. I'm not gonna sell your course. Although everything what you're gonna learn over here is gonna be free of cost. So just learn carefully. That's all what you need to do. Listen carefully. And if you learn carefully, if you follow the systems that I'm gonna define shortly, you can save yourself money, time, and obviously the frustration. So without wasting any time, let's jump into it and see what is Amazon and how you can launch a successful product on Amazon. A very important thing about Amazon is this is not just a platform. It's your next empire. You know what that means. I've already told you people making a very fundamental basic mistakes due to which they think Amazon is not for them and that they are ending up losing all their money, time, and obviously, and then they lose the confidence of getting into the business again. So listening from the absolute beginners to seasoned pro, I'm going to show you how to master these incredible Amazon FBA private label strategies. For example, we're going to talk about Sarah's story. Sarah, she was just a common girl. She wasn't making much. She was doing 9 to 5 job, and then she started making and hitting in just 12 months. Now, this is all based on what you are going to launch. Now, it's not something magical is going to happen. We talk about Mike's journey. He is selling in the fitness and sports category. He was also the former 9 to 5 job worker, launched his first product in 2023. Currently, he's scaling it about $25,000 in about just 2 years. Building towards quitting job, and he said that I best decision I've ever made. I'm finally in control, which is great. She's selling the product in pet supplies. Pet supplies product are great if you have a little bit bigger budget, but if not, then you should probably think about any other product. Now, if it's Amazon is not that you like some product and you want to launch it. No, it's not going to work that way. You have to be very specific in terms of launching a product on Amazon, otherwise you will just lose money. Pet supplies, okay, I understand it's a complicated product, but if you check out the product inside out, you can be successful and they are making $40,000 in just 2 years. And why you should just launch. Amazon is not a website. It is undisputed titan of online retail, a global logistics empire. But what I want to tell you is that you don't have to do anything from the scratch. Amazon is already a built-in marketplace where you just have to come up with the right product. That's it. That's literally it. You come up with the right product, you go with the right strategies, and you can start making money. Compared to other strategies you're going to opt for in the next coming 5 years, I think this is the best solution for you to start a business on Amazon right now. How big is the Amazon really? So there are 300 million plus customers on Amazon. 350 million product is listed, 200 million plus members, Prime members. Now, Prime members are those members, for example, loyal customers. Now, loyal customers, they always make a purchase and they are waiting for your product. On Amazon, if you can give them the best quality, if you can give them a good price, they are ready to buy your product. They are willing to give you their money. All you need to do is to connect with the right person, launch with the right strategy, and have the right product in your hand. So what exactly is Amazon FBA and how is it gonna unlock your e-commerce superpower? It stands for Fulfillment by Amazon. And what exactly it is that you have your product, you finally found a profitable product, you just simply send it to Amazon warehouse, they will store your product, and when customer orders, they will send it to the customer. And at the end, what you did is you just start making the sales. This is what the whole thing tells you. It's like super simple. It's not exhausting business. It's something that you do, you put your effort for the one time. If you hire someone, a professional, then You just simply have to relax and just wait for your product to get live. Amazon takes care of every single thing. And then we talk about why FBA isn't just good, it's a game changer for you. It is simply because it's the future and you should really invest in the future. People are investing in AI, which is great, but this is something which is already built. You have the platform which is already built on, people are waiting for your products. So you should really consider what is already in front of you. All right, so you want to know the real deal with private label. So there are different business models on Amazon like dropshipping, wholesale, and then it comes to private label. But the problem with dropshipping and wholesale that you have razor thin margins there, and sometimes your account gets blocked and deactivated, your money stuck there, and you are just wasting your time, energy, and sometimes you don't even get your money back. So private label is the safest business model that you can have. Like everyone has a dream to sell their own brand. You just simply put your own name, your brand name, and you just simply list your product on Amazon, position yourself correctly, and then you start building an empire. Why is Amazon still the biggest opportunity and why you need to start now? Because it is online shopping, the new normal. People again are gonna be shopping through online. It is the fastest journey of you can make a seven-figure story because if you compare it with any other businesses, probably they're going to take your 10 years and 20 years, but you can make it fast on Amazon. Simply, it is still not a quick get quick rich, but still it is something compared to other businesses, visible business, that achievable seven-figure business. And every delay helps competitors. One thing which is you would want to know that Amazon algorithm loves established brands. The older your brand, the more trust you build and the more favorable the algorithm treats you. Don't underestimate the power of time in building authority and visibility. So Amazon actually gives the leverage to the old sellers. They show their product to the first page. Do not waste your time waiting for the right time to get into the business. Your competitors are already crushing and making more money. More delay to your success. It's not a get rich quick game, and it is something that you build over time. There are my clients who have sold their businesses for over $1 million, and I even help my own clients selling their businesses, not for $1 million, but at least $500,000. Your path to Amazon, it starts right here, right here. You already know what is Amazon FBA. I think you understood the basics of Amazon FBA now. It is fulfillment by Amazon. And then we are going to teach you how to find your profitable products. In the next class, I'm going to let you know how to actually find the product and launch it. Then you simply have to build your brand and launching. There are two different things on Amazon, launching the product and launching a brand. I will let you know how you can become a successful brand on Amazon and how you can actually help people launch a successful brand on Amazon. So the last thing, it's your biggest opportunity and it's a massive opportunity. And in this course, you're going to learn each and everything in very simple baby steps, just like I told you over here. Guys, this journey is going to be really, really boring. I understand for a fact that while you're using TikTok, Instagram Reels, it's really hard to focus on the content, which is lengthy, and you have to make yourself, you have to get in the boredom zone. So, but it's very important if you want to launch and become successful. Boredom is your friend. Just make it your friend. Don't You can watch your reels, you can do the TikTok, but just give your 10 or 15 minutes a day and you can learn so much in here. So the next class we're gonna talk about how you can find a profitable product. Thank you so much for listening, guys. Just hit the like button if you really like this video.